Tonight at 11:59 p.m., the statewide shelter-in-place order for most Georgians will expire. However, moving forward, I'm urging Georgians to continue to stay home whenever possible. I want to thank the people of our great state who heeded public health advice, afforded us time to bolster our healthcare infrastructure, and flatten the curve. We were successful in these efforts, but the fight is far from over. In accordance with our executive orders, businesses across the Peach State must continue to operate with strict social distancing and sanitation rules to keep customers and employees safe through May 13, 2020. These rules vary by business type for a measured, health-driven approach. The health and well-being of Georgians are my top priorities, and my decisions are based on data and advice from health officials. I will do what is necessary to protect the lives and the livelihoods of our people. I will formally extend our public health state of emergency through June 12, 2020, to continue enhanced testing across Georgia, ramp up contact tracing, and maintain effective emergency response operations in every region. To protect vulnerable populations, I will sign an order today requiring medically fragile and elderly Georgians to continue to shelter in place through June 12, 2020. In addition, I will order long-term care facilities, including nursing homes, personal care homes, assisted living facilities, and similar community living homes, to utilize enhanced infection control protocols, ensure safer living conditions, and protect residents and staff from coronavirus exposure. Together we will defeat this virus and emerge stronger. Thank you, and God bless.